Yo, what's up? September 33. Gotten a lot better. Got some new parts, so I can do a bike check. I do have some edits, but I don't have them up on YouTube. They're all on my Facebook. Just look up my name and add me. Anthony, Anthony, Tatimer, Tettemer. Just no pedophiles. So, yeah. And you might see me flinch a little bit, because I did mess up my neck. So, there we go. I'll start from the top. I have S&M, I think they're Hooter bars. I don't know, I got them from my friend. ODI XL long neck strips with bit far ends. Yeah. I have the down low stem. No wait, down low front and then harder back because my down low is stripped. So I need to get that fixed. Um, my dust cap, or whatever the hell this is called, is Fly Bikes. My headset's an Eastern. My frame is a 2012 Horror 300.2. I might be getting a new frame, or maybe a whole new bike. And if I get a whole new bike, I'm getting the Verde Cadet 2013 in black. And if I just get a frame, I'm getting the Colony. My forks are King Bolties. I'm getting new ones. I don't know what kind yet. Front tire is Demolition. I don't know exactly what type, but it's Demolition. I have a Mission front hub, Blaze 2, a We the People rim. I have Demolition pegs in the front and the back. I'm not lifting up the other side of the bike. So, on back here, I have the animal seat right here, animal cush in white, with a We the People pivotal post and a Demolition seat clamp. I have Demolition pedals, plastic, clear. I like them. They're really comfortable. They haven't worn out yet. I mean, other than these two right here, seems that they're doing pretty well. I have profile cranks. Don't really like them. Yes, because they're American. I mean, I like America, but it's just that Allen key, and you can never find it. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain for the Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. Getting a new one. I don't think you guys would know the company, but it's Illusion. My friend Eric owns the company. He builds sprockets. Sprockets are $10. Let me know if you want one. I mean, I could probably get you one from him. So, in the back, way back, we have a hookworm tire. Not the best, but it works for me. With a Haro Hypno 2012 rim. All stock right there, that rim, completely stock. Not stock on the bike, but just a stock rim. And I think that is my bike check. Ugh. See ya.